Hey Sarah, how are you?
I am fine. Can I ask you a question about the paradise? I tried to talk to Mark but he doesn't know.
Sure, I love talking about the paradise. What is your question?
Well, I guess I need to know about the animals first. Will they die in paradise?
Well, yes, if you look at how God made them, He never intended for them to live forever. He only made mankind in His image. When Adam and Eve sinned, they were sentenced to death. So that why we die, just like the animals, but in paradise animals will be born and die like they always have, but we will live forever.
Great, that answers my next question too, but now how do we know that will be children born in paradise?
Well, we don't, that is just watchtower speculation. In fact, the Bible leads us to believe that children will not be born in paradise, nor will people be married.
What, that is not what I was taught. I was hoping to get a perfect husband and have perfect children in paradise.
Sorry to disappoint you,